Well, I really have ceased to predict things at this court. As you know, the court's in existential crisis at the moment due to the threat of institutional sanctions from the US government. Also, it has a chief prosecutor who is alleged to have committed sexual misconduct. He's fighting his way back to the court. Half of his own office don't even want him back at the court. This is a court which needs something to survive. And unfortunately, the only case before the court at the moment is the case of the former president, Mr. Duterte. So, yes, I believe the law is firmly on our side. In fact, you shouldn't forget that one of the judges who found in favor of the jurisdictional arguments that we presented is still in the appeals chamber. That's the Georgian judge, Judge Lord Kipanidze. The other judge who found in favor of the jurisdictional arguments presented by the defense is no longer with the court. That's the French judge, Marc Perrin de Brichambault. Let us hope that the judge who found in favor of the arguments back in 2023 remains constant, and that he manages to persuade two more of his colleagues at least to join him.